loves, it's Sam. I know I have an Amazon package. I sounded really English just then when I said Amazon. I know I have an Amazon package coming today at some point. It is not here yet, but I know it will be soon. And I got a bunch of stuff for basically just like organizing, and I don't actually even remember what I got at this point, but I know I got like a little coat closet storage thing because I have been meaning to unpack our coats. I'm petting my cat. They're all in totes and bags right now in the garage, and I haven't been able to put them anywhere because we don't have a coat closet in this house, and all of our closets that are in the bedrooms are completely packed with clothes. So I was like, what am I gonna do? I can't just have coats in a tote. Like, that's just not gonna work. And there's a lot of spiders in our garage, so I don't want to like hang them in the garage. I ordered this little coat closet, or like a clothing rack, bamboo clothing rack. I have a small one in this room right here that I do for like when I do try on hauls, which I will have one very soon. I needed like a bigger one that had shoe storage, that had storage on top, that just had all the storage for coats and snow pants and boots and just hats and all that kind of stuff for the winter time, because it is coming and it's going to be here soon. And I'm a little bit nervous because it's been 2 years since I've had a Tahoe winter, but the kids are super pumped. They're so excited because they missed the snow. That was like the one thing that they would always talk about and be like, they'd make me feel like such crap because it would be Christmas time and it would be like 55 degrees outside. And they're like, it just doesn't feel like Christmas. It's just not festive. Remember when we were back in Tahoe when we went sledding? Remember when there was snow on Christmas? And they would like say all this stuff and I was like, cool, mom fail. Like, it made me feel so bad. So they're super pumped to be back in Tahoe for Christmas time. It is festive. I mean, I don't like the snow. You guys know that. I'm not a fan of driving in it, of shoveling it, of walking in it, of having to put kids' snow pants on and gloves and boots. Like, it's kind of an ordeal, but it is so festive when it's Christmas time and you're inside and you have your fireplace going and it's all snowing and it's coming down. It is so beautiful. It's so crisp. It's a scent of snow. It is lovely. I just don't remember what else I ordered. Let me just have a look on Amazon. Don't you just love that though when it comes and you haven't remembered what you... Oh no, I'm logged into Jay's, so I don't know. Did you know that the new Borat movie is coming? I will link everything down below. I'll also link my Amazon storefront, so definitely be sure to go and check that out. And you can shop all of my favorites, all of the things that I use on a daily basis. I love you guys. I hope you guys all have an awesome day. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a comment down below letting me know what was your favorite thing that I got today. And let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the very first thing I got are these. I don't actually know what they're called. I'll link them down below. But they basically hold your wrapping paper, and then you can also, there's like a blade in here and you can cut your wrapping paper. I've never had them before. I saw them from Teresa Louser, is it Louser or Louser, on Instagram, and I follow her. She does a bunch of like reels about like best things from Amazon, and I was like, I always get sucked in. I got these. She shared the more expensive version. I think these are a cheaper version, and it was a 2-pack for $9.99 versus just one for $20. So I was like, if you like something, you want more. So I got two. It's like a 2-pack. So it was $9.95 for a 2-pack. So hopefully it works just as good as hers. Hers looked like it worked really good. So this is like such a great tool for Christmas, hopefully, if it works good. So that's the first item that I got. The next thing I got was, again, I saw it on Teresa Louser. I don't know how you say her name. Teresa Louser? Is it Louser or Louser? Not sure. Anyway, I'll link her down below. I get sucked into her stuff all the time. Jay makes fun of me because he's like, are you watching her again? I'm like, yep, I am. I think he hates her because, you know, every time I follow her, I buy something on Amazon. So he probably is not a huge fan of her. Anyway, not that she's bad, just that she's very, very good at what she does. And I always buy stuff from her. So this is another thing that I saw on her. It's like a Christmas or like any kind of wrapping paper, gift bag, bows, ribbon organizer if you have a small space. So like I don't have any closets as far as like a coat closet. Normally I had a coat closet and I would keep all my wrapping paper stuff in there, but I don't have that this time. So I figured this would be perfect for us for like a small space storage solution, because you can just hang it in a closet or on the back of a door on a hook or something. And then you have these like big, huge, tall sections here for wrapping paper. Just like for the big rolls. You've got a little pocket. You've got lots of pockets here for bows and ribbons. It's like so handy. And then I've got those little wrapping paper cutter thingamabobbers in that section. But then on the back, you also have more sections that are like clear. And there's one big one here. Yeah, one huge long one, and then another huge long one for gift bags and stuff. It did come dirty, if you guys can see that. The lighting is like blasting in here right now. Look at that. It came filthy. So that was a bit of a situation. I'm kind of disappointed in that because like that looks really gross, you know, but it's fine. I'm not going to return it because I can't be bothered. But that is what it looks like without that crazy light. Look at that. So good, so much storage. So I'm super excited about that. I feel like that's going to be such a good little storage solution for all of my Christmas wrapping paper and bows and all that mess, gift tags. So I love that, and it was, I think it was around 20 bucks or something like that. Okay, so next is this little clothing rack, and it's a mess. This whole house is a mess, you guys. The dogs keep stealing wipes out of the bathroom. They keep stealing shoes and putting them all over. I haven't unpacked. I feel like I've just given up. Like honestly, I'm never gonna unpack this house, but it's fine. At least we have a place to put our coats now. So this is a great little clothing rack. It does have a little, ow, I just bonked my butt on another tote. A little shelf here on the bottom that you can store shoes on and underneath. Usually they're much tidier than this, but look, see, this is what she does. She steals my makeup wipes out of my trash can and then she just carries them around. Thank you. Yeah, it's a mess. So yeah, it's great. And it's like this really nice bamboo. It's got like a little cute little top shelf up here that I've put little baskets for, like, you know when you have like little bits and bobs that you're like, oh, I need to go take that to someone, or oh, I need to drop this package off at the post office, just stuff like that. So I figured those would be great. They've got these little hooks on either side. So like on this side I have my purse, and then I've got all of my mine and Jay's jackets hanging here, and then it's also got another hook for Jay to put his bag on. So it's really great, and I love the fact that it's like just the whole like bamboo vibe looks really good. The pole is starting to kind of if you guys can tell, because there's like these coats are quite heavy. These are also, you can get these at Amazon, little wooden what are they called? Coat hangers. But yeah, that's what it looks like. So before we just had this, and it like took up all of the, there was no space for anything else. We don't have a coat closet. So now when you come in, you actually have this little section where you can hang up your coat. And it just makes it great if you don't have any coat closet, you don't have anywhere to put your coats, and you have a lot of coats. There you go. And I think it was like 60 bucks. So super good deal. I have a little stool here so you can sit down and like put your shoes on, and it's definitely so much more convenient than I had them like in totes before, and like that was just a disaster. So this is way better. Okay, I also ordered a new toilet seat. I know. So exciting. The toilet seat in the kids' bathroom is like super, I don't know, like, you know when people use the wrong, like a soft scrub on a toilet seat and it like takes up the shiny bit so that every single thing stains the toilet seat? That's what it looks like. It's also come off the back, so every time the kids sit on the toilet, the whole seat scooches to the side. And Jay was like, you need to call the landlord and ask for a new toilet seat. I was like, by the time that I just like call him and ask him for a toilet seat, and then he has someone come look at it, or you know what I mean, I was like, I'm just gonna order a toilet seat myself. I think it was like 50 bucks. Now it's actually got like the shiny finish, so it looks clean, because that's the bathroom that people use when they come over here, and it looks like it's always dirty, but it's not. It's because that sheen is like, the shiny part is gone. So I was like, I'm not gonna have a dirty looking toilet, that's gross. So now we have a shiny brand new clean toilet. So I'm gonna have Jay put that in tonight, and hopefully it goes on there just no problem. We'll see, but I'm very excited for a nice clean toilet seat. Nobody wants to look like I hate dirty toilet seats. It just looks bad. Even if I know it's clean and I've cleaned it and it still looks stained, I just don't like that. So now I have a nice toilet seat. Okay, and then next are these adorable little canisters. I saw this from someone's Instagram. I cannot remember who it was. I was just scrolling through and I was like, yes, I need to get those. So these are these gorgeous little jars with the bamboo tops. And there are 5 different sizes altogether. So in here, I have chocolate chips, I have my cacao powder, 2 things of flour because I had a lot of flour, and then a big huge thing of just regular sugar. And I just feel like they make it look so much nicer. Before, I had like a bunch of these bags that were like just all taking over here, and it just looked so bad. It was like flour and sugar and cocoa, and it just didn't look very cute. So I love the way this looks. I actually think I'm gonna order some more as well. And then I just have it on this cute little bamboo tray on our little island here. Also, don't ask me why there's carrots there. That was not me. But I just think it looks nicer. You could have it on the counters if you want, but I don't have a lot of counter space. It's all taken up. So I put them down there, and this is like where I do, like if I bake, this is where I grab all my stuff from anyway. So I thought that was a perfect little spot to store my cute little baking goods. So I'm very excited for those. I think they're really adorable, and this would work for like bathroom stuff if you have bath bombs, or if you have any like cotton pads, Q-tips, that kind of stuff. Like, it was really affordable. I think it was like $29 for the whole entire set of 5, which I think is a really good deal. So definitely reordering more of those. I think that's great for pasta, cereal, like all sorts, lentils, all sorts of stuff. Okay, next I got just some regular gift tissue. This is just like that nice brown tissue for when I send out giveaway presents or welcome kits for when people sign up for oils, anything like that. It's just nice to have some brown tissue. I have a bunch of stuff that I need to sell for my POSHMARK of like clothes that just won't fit in the closet, so I got some of that for that as well. I also got some of this Purador organic rosehip seed oil. I'm gonna use this for a little like glow serum for my face. And the recipe that I saw called for rosehip seed oil. So I got some of that. And then these I showed you guys last time, but I'm gonna go ahead and use those. I'm waiting for the other oils to arrive that I need to include in it. But it's frankincense, tea tree, copaiba, what is the other one? There's maybe lavender, I can't remember. But I'm gonna be putting those into these little droppers, and then I can add it to my skincare routine. So I'm super excited. Oh, frankincense, I'm super excited for that. I also got these crinkly waterproof labels, and these are so awesome. I've been making little roller labels and my like for my cleaning. Here, I'll just show you, but this is what it looks like. So you can make these kind of labels, and then it's like a waterproof label that you just stick onto a glass bottle. So you can buy the glass bottles from Amazon, you can get your label and stick it on there, and then also like you can do it for your rollers. So I have like these little roller ball stickers as well that you can stick on your rollers. Then I put these ones on. So I just buy the little like design off of Etsy, and then they just give you the PDF file, and then you can just print them off with your own paper. So then you always have like, you can make as many as you want. You're not just having to buy like 5, you could make 35 if you wanted to. And they're so cute. So I have a little immunity one, a tummy one, tantrum, happy, and then they're just like super cute, and then they're waterproof as well. So that's really great. I mean, you only get 5 sheets in it, which is, you know, but it's really nice. And then you can make as many labels as you want. You just gotta keep on buying the paper. But it's better than having to order like the actual labels from someone, because that can get a little pricey. Okay, I also got this little tripod. I saw my friend Sonia who had it, and I might need 2 hands for this. Can I do it by myself with only 1 hand? Maybe. Hi, I'm hiding down here. So this is, it comes with a case, which is really cool. It comes with a little, don't you take that. Nope, don't you take that. Comes with a little remote so that you can hook it to your phone, and you can take little selfies of yourself without having to hold it. It comes with this little thing that attaches. I don't know how to attach. What has she stolen? She just stole a shoe. I think it attaches somewhere to here. Maybe like this. Don't know, have to figure it out. I need to read the instructions, but it's basically a tripod. What I got it for was that it does have that phone attachment, which is really cool for Instagram stories, but also you can turn it this way with your camera or regular ways. So you can actually like flip it so that you can turn your camera that ways if you want to. But it just looks like a really like sturdy, like good little tripod, and it was only $34.99. And my friend Sonia uses it, and she said it was really good. So I got it. It's called the Torgym AX60. and I'm so excited to be able to set this up with my phone and everything. So I gotta keep it all in a good spot or I'll lose it. And you have a nice little carrying case, and it's really nice and compact, so that's awesome. The last thing I got was just some little padded mailers for welcome kits, or whenever I have like little giveaways, just to give little things away to people who follow me. Then I've got some little padded pink mailers. Okay guys, so there is my Amazon haul. I hope you guys enjoyed everything I ordered this time around. Let me know, give me a thumbs up, comment down below if you guys would like to see an Amazon try on haul. I haven't done a try on haul for such a long time because honestly, my room is a disaster and I have not been able to unpack. I've been so busy with work and with the kids and at home learning and running errands that I literally have had no time to unpack. So my room is disastrous. Like, I don't even want to show it. It's so embarrassing. Also, I have hair on me because it just looks like I'm a slob, and right now I feel like one, but I just have not. My day is all of a sudden done at the end of the day, and then I'm like, I literally did not unpack anything. So I'm having a really hard time trying to get everything done. So I haven't done a try on haul for that reason, because it's a mess, and you'll see it if it's a mess. If I'm sitting right here, you can't see all the crap on the floor. So hopefully this weekend I can tackle getting some unpacking done, and then I can do an actual try on haul. But if you want to see an Amazon try on haul, please let me know, or leave any other stores that you want me to feature for a try on haul. Maybe Old Navy, or maybe, I don't know, whatever it is that you want to see. So let me know. I'd be happy to do it for you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video.